I can't believe it's March already. Wait a minute. Barbie's 60th birthday! I almost forgot. She's gonna think I forgot. I know what to do. I'll throw her a party. Then she'll never know I almost forgot. How am I gonna throw a last-minute party? I didn't think this through. What am I thinking? I have a fairy crafter. Froggy! What's up? I'm gonna need your help in decorating for a birthday party. You're gonna help? I was just trying to make it sound nice. Let's be honest, you're gonna do all the work. Last time I had a hot glue gun, I glued my shoes to the floor. How is that even possible? But Sophie, I think you should help this time. Teamwork makes the dream work. Aww. Let's head out to the barn and look for some crafting supplies. The barn? Aww. The things I do for my friends. There's nothing in here but a bunch of chickens. Oh, and Spirit. Horse slobber. Sophie, I found an old cereal box. What are you gonna do with that? Get your cell phone and I'll show you. I am going to use a large cereal box donated by family and friends to make a room for our dolls. I will also use tissue paper, string, pipe cleaners, wrapping paper, stickers, and glue. I start by cutting down the side of a cereal box so it can open. Remove the tabs to make walls. Cover the outside of the box with wrapping paper. I glue it on using a glue stick, smoothing it as I go in small sections. Once the back is covered, flip it over, then fold over and glue down the extra paper. To make a trifold that looks nice and neat, lay the box down flat, glue on a layer of tissue paper. If you get a few wrinkles here and there, it doesn't really matter. The main thing is to get full coverage. Trim off the excess. Take another cereal box and cut it to 6 inches. Cut a large rectangle from the leftover box. Glue it on top. Cover it with white paper. Glue it to one side of the box. Take tissue paper and fold it accordion style so it's about a ½ inch thick. Trim off the sides to make streamers. Make them in yellow, pink, and blue. Begin gluing them onto the back wall so they hang down and stop right at the floor. Cut tissue paper into squares. Stack and layer about 6 pieces. Fold them accordion style. Fold it in half to find the center. On the folded edge, cut off the corners to make an indentation in the center. Cut a small piece of pipe cleaner, wrap it around the center, and twist the ends. Trim the corners off of the paper. Begin opening up each side. Gently separate the layers, lifting them one at a time. After completing one side, repeat on the other. To make paper flowers, cut a long strip of tissue paper, fold it accordion style, fold it in half just as before, cut the corners of the fold, wrap a pipe cleaner around the center, open each side, apply a little glue to the ends, and connect the 2 sides. To make decorative party fans, take the fans and the flowers, glue them along the top of the wall. I'm starting with the fans first because they are the largest. Space them out to distribute the color, then fill in the gaps with the flowers, taking care to avoid the seams on the box. Cut strips of white paper, fold them in half and make a crease. Add glue, place a cut piece of string inside of the crease, then fold the paper over. Cut a triangle from the bottom, place a sticker in the middle, then repeat to spell happy birthday. Glue it into the room for a birthday banner. Take a paper roll, cut it into smaller pieces, trace circles onto leftover paperboard, making a few slightly larger than the tubes. Cut them out, glue circles onto the tube. You can also add a small paper tube between 2 circles to make a lift. Paint it with acrylic paint. I use a toothpick to paint icing dripping down the sides. Fill in the top and allow it to dry. And of course, you could always use a paintbrush. I just like the toothpick. I use a small hole punch on pastel paper. If you do not have a hole punch, you can always cut it into small pieces. Add a thin coat of a clear glue like Mod Podge. Sprinkle on the cut paper to make drip cakes. Cut the Barbie logo off of packaging, glue it onto layers of paper, cut a toothpick, glue it to the back, push it into the top of the cake to make cake toppers. Add a little extra gold to finish the room. That can fold up for easy storage. Wow, this is awesome! I'm glad you like it. Just don't tell anybody the cakes are made from stuff we found in the bathroom. Ew, maybe we'll say they're just for show. Thank you for joining us while we made a party room for Barbie's 60th birthday on March 9th. Celebrate with us on Instagram by posting a doll birthday pic using hashtag InstaDarbySurprise. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
Get it right. Gonna keep running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us know tonight.
We want to give a shout out to Lovely Dreams. What's up? So, when does the party start? Oops! I forgot to send out invitations! No worries, I'll just make a post on Instagram. And wait for it. Instant party! Shh! Everybody, she's here!
Happy birthday, Barbie!
Wow, this is awesome!